Thick and full, super moist, long hair don't care baby, and a whole lot of glamour. You ready?
All I do is think about you.
Oiling, scalp care, supplements. I'll show you how I use these 3 things to get beautiful, healthy hair. I'll tell you 5 reasons why your 4C hair is breaking while I wash my hair. This is how much breakage my 4C hair gets on wash day. Anything else is too much. And my new favorite protective style to retain 4C hair length. I'm also going to show you the super moisturizing and super slippery aloe vera and cucumber hair mask. And at the end of the video, I'll show my 4C hair in every single form. First thing I do is head over to Ulta and Sephora to get a few things. You want less 4C hair breakage? Pay attention, honey. Here are 5 reasons why your 4C hair is breaking on wash day. Number 1, you don't pre-poo. So here right now, I'm putting conditioner on my hair before I apply shampoo. You can use oils, aloe vera, or different treatments to pre-shampoo, but you need to use something in order to make sure that the shampoo doesn't strip your hair, make it harder to detangle, causing more breakage and dryness. And here I am going in with the shampoo after I've pre-pooed with some conditioner. Number 2, you are using hard water and you don't even realize that it's breaking your hair off. The minerals in hard water create a barrier around your hair shaft and it makes it so you can't get moisture into it and it makes your hair break off. Number 3, your hair thrives in stretch styles, but you aren't aware of this yet. I love rocking my fro, but I quickly realized that when my hair is all coiled up, I'm more prone to get breakage because my hair strands coil around each other. I get single strand knots. And after I shampoo, I hop out of the shower and I go ahead and I put my deep conditioner in, do a little dance, do some scalp massages, get it all up in my hair, and then I just go ahead and wrap a Target bag around my hair because I couldn't find a shower cap. Who else does this? I mean, come on, it's convenient. Combing the cholesterol treatment through my hair now, and as you can see, my hair is in layers. I'll never do layers again. I'm gradually cutting them out of my hair. As you can see, my longest layers are at the bottom. And lastly, a lot of you all like to use those fancy little brushes when you know that your 4C hair cannot handle it, but you don't want to be left out. Honey, put the brush down. Put the brush down, get the wide tooth comb. Okay, honey, hair care is wonderful, but it actually starts with scalp care. I started doing a daily scalp care regimen, and I've started using Ouai's new scalp care serum. And they're thick and full supplements for a while now. I especially love it with my twists. So excited to show you all how I use this. I just love cute, clean, neat packaging, so that's definitely a plus. I've been obsessed with getting my hair thicker and fuller, and I love to just put this in between my parts when I have my twists in, and even when I have my hair loose, and also when my hair is wet. You can use it on wet or dry hair. This keeps your hair feeling stronger and looking fuller through a healthy and hydrated, balanced scalp. It soothes the irritation from tight ponytails, and I love this for my twist because it helps to soothe it when I'm detangling. These one-a-day supplements that I've been taking are absolutely amazing. They reduce the appearance of shedding. Grow all the way with Ouai's scalp serum and thick and full supplements. Go to theouai.com and use code Yinka to get 15% off your entire purchase. That's 15% off your entire order at theouai.com, code Yinka. I'm loving my results. Alright, so one thing that I love to do before I put my hair up is go ahead and put some softening oils on my hair. So I like to take a mixture of grapeseed oil, olive oil, and rosehip oil. That's just what I'm using this time. It's not what I always use. And I just like to get it and coat my hair strands with it. This has nothing to do with my scalp. This is just for my hair strands specifically. And I like to put it in a cute updo. And I'm going to show you all exactly how I make my highly moisturizing aloe vera and cucumber hair mask. It's absolutely amazing. Use your conditioner of choice. I recommend one with a lot of slip. And while I do this, I'm going to ask you all what you think I should do in this situation. I already know what I'm going to do, but I'm just curious to see what you all would do. So as an influencer, oftentimes you get messages from people who you went to school with or that you've worked with, just people that you've known like in the past. And I got a message from one of my bullies, and she used to bully me so badly for my hair texture because she felt like I didn't have quote unquote good hair, and because my hair was short, and I guess she thought that was a bad thing. Anyway, so she writes me a message on Instagram, you know, the cliche like, oh my god, you know, I was so young back then, I didn't know any better, we've grown, aren't you glad that we're both doing so well, yada yada yada, and all that kind of crap. And I'm just curious, you know, what would you do? Would you take the high road? Would you give her a piece of your mind? Would you just ignore it? Let me know what you would do. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the conditioner in my hair, And I'm just going to, ooh, look at all that slip. I absolutely love this. It just makes my hair super soft. And after doing this, I like to go in with my oil treatment, and I love doing my hair outside, as you all know. And I was just lounging in some old Nigerian attire that I have laying around, and I'm just so comfortable. I'm so at peace in my element, oiling and combing the oil through my hair. I love this. It softens up my hair and just makes my hair completely manageable. And I go back in with some deep conditioner and I let it sit. If you're new here, here's my hair when it's blown out and big and poofy. And here's my 4C hair when it's shrunken up and it's in a fro. Absolutely love that shrinkage. It's healthy. And here's my hair when it is drenched in conditioner and I'm standing underneath the shower head, so there's a lot of pressure coming down on my hair. And here is my hair when it's blown out and it's in a dry braid out. I absolutely love doing my hair like this. I actually do my hair like this quite often. It's very easy to style and redo at night. Here's my hair when it's flat ironed on low heat. I never go above 300 degrees. And here's my hair again flat ironed on low heat. And here's my fro in all its glory. As always, thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my aloe vera and rosemary video. It is absolutely amazing. And if you are not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok.